Ford has issued a critical recall for over 112,000 F-150 trucks today. A rear axle hub bolt defect poses a rollaway risk, affecting models from 2021 to 2023. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration highlights the danger of the bolt breaking, leading to the potential for the truck to roll away while parked, posing a significant safety hazard. Owners will receive notifications from Ford by the end of January. Owners are advised to listen for any unusual clicking or rattling noises while driving. If such symptoms are observed, they can take their trucks to a nearby Ford dealership for inspection and necessary repairs. This recall is part of a broader trend in the automotive industry, where several major manufacturers have issued recalls. Notably, at the end of 2023, Tesla and Honda recalled millions of cars due to various malfunctions. Ford itself had previously recalled F-150 trucks over issues with electronic parking brakes. For more details, click the link in the description to read the full article.